Here's our roadmap. We'll explore what sleep is, the sleep cycle, why it's important, how dreams and REM work, sleep across life, disorders, naps, technology, and we'll finish with myths, tips, and a quiz. Sleep is a recurring state of rest with reduced awareness. It's not unconsciousness, it restores the body, consolidates memory, and repairs tissues. Without sleep, health and focus decline. Sleep conserves energy, restores the brain, strengthens immunity, regulates emotions, and processes memories. It's like a nightly reset for both body and mind. Sleep happens in 90-minute cycles of non-REM and REM. Non-REM moves from light to deep restorative sleep. REM is where most dreaming occurs and the brain activity looks awake. Stage 1 is light sleep, easy to wake from. Stage 2 is longer. Heart rate slows, temperature drops, and sleep spindles form to protect sleep and help memory. Deep sleep repairs tissues, builds muscle, strengthens immunity, and releases growth hormone. It's hard to wake from and provides the body's deepest restoration. REM is where the brain is active like when awake, most dreaming occurs, emotions are processed, and temporary paralysis prevents acting out dreams. Dreams help with memory, emotional processing, and creativity. They replay daily experiences, but their full purpose is still partly mysterious. Newborns sleep 14 to 17 hours, teens 8 to 10, and adults 7 to 9. Sleep quality and deep sleep decline with age, affecting energy and health. Circadian rhythms are the body's 24-hour clock, synced by light. Disruptions from screens or travel can cause fatigue, mood swings, and poor sleep. Sleep pressure builds as adenosine accumulates, making us sleepy. Sleep clears it. Short naps lower pressure but don't replace full sleep. Sleep keeps the brain active, sorting memories, regulating emotions, and clearing waste to protect long-term brain health. Dreams are mostly in REM, reflecting emotions and daily events. They help with creativity and problem-solving, though their full purpose is unknown. Deep sleep locks in facts. REM links ideas. Sleep before learning helps focus. After learning consolidates memory. Skipping sleep reduces retention. Surprising sleep facts. Humans are the only mammals who delay sleep on purpose. Giraffes sleep less than 2 hours a day. During REM, your body is paralyzed. Sleep deprivation can reduce reaction time more than alcohol. Poor sleep spikes stress and mood swings. REM helps regulate emotions. Sleep problems increase anxiety and depression risk. Sleep boosts immune cells. Poor sleep increases illness and lowers vaccine effectiveness. Sleep is a natural immunity booster. Sleep regulates hunger hormones, aids recovery, and reduces heart disease risk. Poor sleep affects weight, energy, and focus. Would you rather sleep edition? Would you rather never dream or dream vividly? Need 3 hours of sleep or 12 but feel amazing? Fall asleep instantly or control dreams? These show how sleep is fascinating and personal. Insomnia makes it hard to sleep. Sleep apnea causes breathing pauses. Restless legs and narcolepsy disrupt sleep. Sleep is complex and fragile. Blue light delays melatonin. Screens overstimulate. Sleep apps and trackers can help if used wisely, like limiting screens before bed. Short naps, 20 to 30 minutes, boost energy. Longer naps can cause grogginess. Many cultures embrace midday naps for a refresh. Sleep sharpens focus, memory, and reaction times. Poor sleep increases mistakes and accidents, impairing performance like alcohol does. Keep a regular bedtime, a cool dark room, avoid caffeine late, limit screens, exercise, and manage stress. Small habits improve sleep quality. Poor sleep makes you irritable, anxious, or less patient. Long-term sleep problems can increase depression risk. Sleep supports emotional well-being. Memory consolidation occurs at night. Deep sleep locks in details, REM connects ideas. Skipping sleep makes remembering harder. Cultures vary. Some nap midday, some prioritize early bedtimes. Social norms and work schedules shape sleep patterns. Sleep is universal but flexible. Quiz time. What happens in deep sleep and why is it good for your body? Your body repairs tissues, builds muscle, strengthens the immune system, and releases growth hormone. Second question. What is REM sleep and what does it help with? REM sleep is a dreaming stage. It helps with memory, learning, and emotional processing. Third question. Name one sleep problem and how it affects sleep. Your answer could be insomnia, which makes it hard to fall or stay asleep. Fourth question. How long should a nap be to feel refreshed? Your answer could be about 20 to 30 minutes. Fifth question. Give one tip for sleeping better at night. Your answer could be keep a consistent bedtime and avoid screens before bed. Thank you.